Joining me on the News Hour tonight are champion Manu Bakar, also her coach with us this evening, Jaspal Rana, and of course, who doesn't know, legend PT Usha. Thank you very much to all of you for joining me. And champion Manu Bakar, what should I say to you? So proud to see you and so proud for the medals that you won for our country. 2 medals. You're the first Indian athlete to get 2 medals in one Olympics, and first one since independence. And wow, what a performance. And first, what did it feel like when you got your first? And by the second, were you a pro? Did you bat an eyelid and said, oh, Manu Bakar is made for these medals? How did it feel?
Well, ma'am, I would say that I feel really happy and really grateful that I could win these 2 medals for my country. Although we all were expecting at least 1 medal because we were training in a way. The training was so intense that we were prepared for at least 1 medal. And the second one was like dream come true for me. And I'm really, I can't thank enough. I can't thank God enough. I can't thank my coaches and the support that I've been getting from people for the medals and for the support that they've given me all these years. So I would say that all this was not possible without the support of so many people who worked behind the scenes. My friends, my family, my coach Jaspal sir, PT Usha ma'am, the IOA organization. So I would say that it was not possible because they put in so much of effort behind the scenes so that I was able to deliver on the big stage and win medals for my country.
Amazing. Have you celebrated yet with the medals, or have you already decided to work hard for the Los Angeles Olympics? How does it work in an athlete's mind?
Honestly, it's both. So I'm looking forward to the LA 2028 already. But I'm also happy that this time it was a success, although gold would be a better medal. But I'm really grateful for the 2 medals that I got. So now we know that we are going in the right direction and we need to stick to this only. So the plan is the same, plan remains the same. The celebrations, I have celebrated here with my Indian team as well. And I will celebrate once I'm back in India with my friends and family as well.
Superb. And when you missed the 3rd medal by a whisker, how did it feel then?
I put an equal amount of hard work in all my 3 events, mixed doubles, air pistol, sports pistol. The qualifications were great. I performed world class. And I would say the finals were also going great. 2 made the medal, like 3rd place and 4th place. So I think consistency is what matters most to me. And I feel like I'm more consistent now with my performances and everything. And I'm sure that this will help me in the longer term. So looking forward to the next competitions now.
Well, बस वो होते होते जब रह जाता है, हैट्रिक होते होते रह गई. Do athletes...
Ma'am, I'll answer that.
Yes, Jaspal Rana.
होते वो जो 2 bronze medal आए हैं ना मैम, that's more important. I think we should concentrate on that. We should cherish that and we should celebrate that.
Of course we do. Of course we do. And we are so proud of that. But I love the way you jumped in. And that's your speciality, Jaspal Rana. You're so protective of Manu Bakar.
That's what we can do, ma'am. We can't teach them how to shoot. They are next generation, much better software. So there's nothing we can put in. But yes, that's our job, to protect them and keep them away from diverting path.
ये job वाला protection नहीं था. This was that chemistry वाला protection के ये मेरा बच्चा है, इसको ऐसे वैसे सवाल मत पूछो.
देश का बच्चा है, and she has delivered, and I'm happy that she is focused for the next Olympic, which is more important. And this 4th place, trust me, will play a very important role in next Olympic.
Superb. But Jaspal Rana, You're quite an angry young man these days, I see. I've been reading your interviews. तो ये angry young man, ये मिलना, ये बिछड़ना from Tokyo Olympics to now in Paris, what changed and how did you both come together? And अभी कहाँ score settle करने बाकी हैं?
Ma'am, it's a long story, and I honestly feel I always been telling everyone that the negative plays very important role in the positive side. If you see, when you ask God for achievement, God does not come and give you achievement or medal. He'll give you all sort of problems. But then you have to sort out those problems. And for that, God sent few people like P.T. Usha ma'am, Captain Narang, those who make things possible. And Kanan, who made me realize that there's nothing wrong between us. And when we came together, there was only one condition I put her that, we will not talk about past. If you want to start, we don't have time, we have to start now. And that's what we did. Until now, we did not talk about Tokyo. But Tokyo played a very important role. If that was not there, you would have not seen this mature girl, this kind of positive attitude girl in this Olympic. So I take it that way.
Fantastic. So Manu Bhaker, last June when you called him, आपको लगा था कि there'll be a pushback, or did you think that the relationship will pick up from where it had been left off? How did it work? What was in your mind when you called Jaspal Rana?
Well, I was aware of the fact that it might not go my way the way I have planned it. It might not be a positive response. But I was willing to take it, and I was willing to take whatever that may come by in the way. So I was just only thinking about the performance and my sport and what will be the best in order to like the steps that I can take so that I can improve my performances at the world stage. And I was not happy in my sport before like 1 year back or 1 year and 2-3 months back. And I used to recall 2019, 2020, 2018 times when I was so happy and very content of my sport. I had lost that in those years, 2021, 2022. So I was missing that, and I was like, you know what, it's either all in for me or I'm stepping out of this thing. I cannot do it anymore. So that was the feeling. So I think it all worked out in
थोड़ा
the best
डर
way
लगा था कॉल करने से पहले कि एंग्री यंग मैन कहेंगे क्या?
It took her 2 years to call me. So it was not that moment that she decided in a week time. And call me in that way, I know that.
And what was your first reaction? आपने डांटा, कुछ कहा?
No. She asked me that, I exactly don't remember the word, but it was something like that, I want to work with you, I want to start shooting with you. And I said yes.
बस,
I don't know.
How long did that call last? And just
15 seconds.
amazing. PT Usha, differences stay, whatever, for 2 years, 3 years, and then it takes 3 seconds to get together and make magic. What would you say about the 3 seconds that altered not just their lives, but lives of all Indians with the medals that they've got together?
Manu's bronze medal is more than a gold medal for us. She made a history, and Jaspal also had done very best in his time. And this both, it's a good combination. That is why I support personal coaches, because I also had come with the personal coach only with Nambiar sir. Because earlier when you do training, if you performance good, and other coaches used to accompany the players in my time. So, but I am not, because I am not interested on going with other coaches. So that time even I met the Prime Minister and said that even if you are not sending my coach, I am not going to be there. So I shown my boldness in when I was 18 years. So wherever I go, government used to send my personal coach with me every time. That is why I could perform well, because they know their everything, like how to from lower level to high to winning medal, how they can make the coaches, personal coaches knows that her every histories. So I always support the personal coaches every time because it is a strong for our players now. If they accompany with them, it will be they'll get strong.
Well
Even
said.
very strong to do perform. So that is why I supported, and she has done it. And I'm so happy that she made a history. It's much more than a gold medal for us.
Absolutely, much more than a gold medal. But जसपाल राणा, आपको तो वहां जाने भी नहीं दिया, आप तो विजिटर स्टैंड से देख रहे थे.
It doesn't matter, ma'am.
बट केमिस्ट्री वो सच कि आप इशारे कर रहे थे और वो समझ रही थी.
मैम वो गाना भी तो है ना जो इशारों में समझो तो क्या बात है.
तो गाना गा के सुना रहे थे उसे.
Hey, ma'am, I prepared her. I don't believe in kind of training where the player is too much dependent on a coach. And I make sure that my students are like independent because when they're on the firing line, they have to take the decision, not us. We just can be a support system. It's like a family sitting outside when you're getting operated. So family is not doing anything. But you know, when you have that kind of feeling that my entire family is sitting outside, वो तो डॉक्टर का काम है, वो तो प्लेयर का काम है, उसको कैसे शॉट को रिलीज करना है, कैसे उसको अपना गेम खेलना है, तो वो चीज वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर लेते हैं. You just need to be there, that's all.
Moral support.
Yeah, and the chemistry between personal coach and other coaches is totally different. I totally agree with PT Usha ma'am. When we spend so much money on so many things, so why not personal coaches? Why not the national coach take combined effort and get all the personal coaches and talk to them, involve them in training program? It will be a kind of help to, you know, for everyone. You become like a class teacher, you become like a principal of a school, but the principal does not teach all the subject. There are different subject teachers. So if that thing can happen, PT Usha did not start coaching Manu Bakar. She made sure that I am there. And me being there, I think it must have maybe 1% positive on our mindset.
Yes.
But that 1% only works.
But his presence
You're being very
itself-
humble.
Yeah. But Jaspal's presence itself is great for, which is very important for Manu, what I feel.
But PT Usha ji, you're now a member of parliament also. I think there should be some change in rules to have, you know, such good personal coaches also in the team with an athlete, because you're going to Olympics. It's just not about the coaching on the sport. It's also about your mental makeup. It's about your attitude. It's about your comfort levels. So as a member of parliament, maybe you can take that up, and we here in the media stand in support. जसपाल राणा जी, आपकी जो इंटरव्यू पढ़ी जिसमें आपने कहा आपको तो एक सैलरी भी नहीं मिलती है, clearly touches a raw chord somewhere in the manner in which you know, sports and our athletes have been handled. So we're here on standby for your return to pick up your fight, because it's not just your fight, it's our fight as a country. And I'm sure we'll be able to get to the other side. But मनु बाकर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो शक्ति है अंदर से, when you go for a round where you know the 1.4 billion people are looking at you, what do you say to yourself? Mental makeup के लिए आप क्या करते हो? Do you pray? Do you think you talk to your parents? What do you do? How do you mentally make up your mind just before that moment?
Ma'am, firstly, I feel that a tense situation brings out the best in me. The nervous feeling, the jittery feeling makes me feel, I mean, it just gives me thrill and joy. And I really have learned to enjoy it now. But I think what plays on in my head is that you've worked really hard to come this far, and it's been 8.5 years in my career, like it's been 8.5 years. So I just keep reminding myself that you have been training for this, you have been working hard throughout these years and throughout these months. You've put in everything that you could have. So just now it's need to be a little more brave and just deliver what you've learned. So that's the only thing that goes in my head.
कोई पूजा पाठ नहीं करते या करते
हैं?
करते हैं कि डर लग रहा है कुछ कर देना?
आई थिंक डर में सबको ही भगवान याद आ जाते हैं, और मुझे तो हर शॉट में ऐसा, भगवान प्लीज हेल्प करना।
गुरु शिष्य के बीच में लास्ट मिनट पे क्या बात होती है?
आई थिंक हमारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग काफी अच्छा है, तो जो भी मुझे बोलने का होता है ना, आई डोंट नीड टू से इट, ही विल अंडरस्टैंड इट जस्ट लाइक दैट। इवन ऑन अ कॉल, phone call पे भी, audio call पे, I will like in a certain tone, if I'll talk, he would know that something is going on. So he'll keep asking me, tell me what it is that's bothering you. So every time I think I don't need to just say the words, but he will understand what I mean.
But we pick out lot of answer from Geeta. That's
Yes.
before the competition, before the finals, there are a lot of things.
राधिका रस्ते करेक्ट। हमें अपने कर्म पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। पर जसपाल राणा, आप जब ये दोनों बार जा रही थी, आपके बीच में कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई, तो लास्ट एडवाइस क्या दी?
Just believe in yourself, and this moment will pass. Because if you don't live now, it will be history. So live it at your best, enjoy it at your best.
Did you enjoy it, Manu?
Well, I've learned to enjoy in the highest of pressure moments now. So it gives me thrill now to stand in one place, try to keep yourself calm, and there's so many people cheering for you. So it's a kind of sport that you have to keep yourself calm no matter what. So now I do enjoy it.
And after you celebrated with all who were around you, when you called up your family, I know everybody's heard your conversation with the Prime Minister. लेकिन घर में किसको पहले बोला और क्या जवाब मिला?
आई थिंक जब तक मैं घर पहुंचती उससे पहले तो बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज एंड ऑल हो ही गए थे, सो यू ऑल नो दोस कॉन्वर्सेशंस। बट घर पे नॉर्मल ही बात होती है। वी डोंट रियली टॉक अबाउट शूटिंग और द मेडल्स और हाउ इट वेंट। वी जस्ट यूजुअली टॉक अबाउट लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल से मूवी कौन सी आई है, या फिर से कि किसने किसको क्या कहा, किसने क्या किया। मतलब इट्स मोर लाइक जस्ट कैजुअल।
पर जब मेडल जीता तो पहले कॉल करके बताया, ऑफ कोर्स सबको पता, पर मॉम डैड को कॉल किया?
हमारा ग्रुप है होम का, सो आई जस्ट यूज टू कॉल देम ऑन वीडियो कॉल एवरी डे, माय मॉम, माय डैड एंड माय ब्रदर. So we all used to gossip about different things. And I think, yes, after I won the medal, then also they were really happy. We all were happy. And we were looking forward to, coming back to India and celebrating it together.
तो क्या बनाएगी मम्मी खाना के लिए? क्या पसंद है मनु बाकर को?
Ma'am, honestly, at this point, I will love to eat anything she makes at home, because घर का खाना is like घर का खाना, nothing like it.
I know, and we're hearing and reading a lot about how food is not that great in Paris this time around, but clearly, this is a moment that I will cherish in history. This is a moment when all of India is proud to see three legends together. Legends of different ages and different stages, but you've all done our country proud. Thank you so very much, starting from the youngest, Manu Bakar. Thank you, Jaspal Rana ji, and thank you very much, PT Usha ji. You're a legend, and always all of you will be the pride of India as long as we live, and as long as this country remember sports in any which way. Thank you so very much, and all the very best, and kudos to Hamara Bharat Mahan.
Thank you so much.